I get to hear about this pain point from all investors or even my subscribers that yes, this investing is like a business, stocks are like pieces of businesses, all these things are correct. But then I personally, as a retail investor, is not able to look at the stocks as pieces of businesses or owning a business, and that I tend to buy the stock quick and sell the stock quick, whether it is loss or profit. And eventually, after deducting tax and other brokerages, I actually don't make any realistic returns, but it definitely satisfies my adrenaline rush. But eventually, friends, this doesn't make you money, right? So let me tell you one easy thing which will ensure that you will consider stocks as pieces of businesses and won't tend for you to take short term trades, or you won't make great losses, and you will have patience and the strength to stay long in the market. You know that every day you eat, say, biscuits of Britannia, you stay in hotels, say, Lemon Tree, you travel in flight, say, Indigo, you eat biryani many a times, the stock KRBL owns the brand, you use car or buy a new car, you have Tata Motors, you have systematic investment plan, SIPs in mutual funds, you have Aditya Birla Financial Services, again a listed stock, you have car, you have inverter, you use batteries in that, you have Amar Raja Mobility Systems, again you use biscuits, maybe you smoke cigars, you have ITC, you get OTP messages on your SMS for various security logins, so you have Tanla platforms, you use electricity every day, so maybe it is powered through renewables, so you have Inox Wind, you have Premier Energy through solar PV power generation, you use medicines, drugs every day, so you have Sun Pharma, you use IT solutions, your friends work, you have TCS, you have HCL Tech, you have your banking system, you put your money, you have FD, you have SDFC Bank, you have South Indian Bank, you use fertilizers, you use various chemicals, you have Deepak Fertilizers, you have Tata Chemicals, you buy flats, you have seen large luxurious flats, say in Mumbai, so you have Suntech Realty. Again, you get power at your home, so it may be through coal-fired power plants, so you have Coal India Limited, who supplies coal to these power plants. You have specialty alloys being used in various applications in your life, so you have Nava Limited, even they supply power. You use various branded clothing every day, including Van Heusen and other brands. Even the normal clothing is also supplied by Grasim Industries, the textile business conglomerate. You use various pans, aluminium vessels, copper vessels, even you use aluminium foil, you have Hindalco. Maybe you work in a boiler industry wherein the tubes are manufactured by Maharashtra Seamless. You have lot of things in iron and steel. You have iron ore extraction company, NMDC. You use LPG gas, and maybe you use gas for industrial application and other facilities. So you have GAIL and you have Petronet LNG. You may have your life insurance, your property insurance, etc. So you have SBI life insurance. The power you supply, you have to supply that through grid to various places. You have Power Grid Infra or Power Grid Corporation. And also you have seen various IT companies hiring places. They don't own the place. You have REITs like Embassy REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. So if you have a bird's view of your life itself and what all things you are utilizing in your life, and if you try to understand that there are a lot of things which are day to day used in your life and which will never get extinct, and you wish that if you could own those businesses and you feel that you are the owner of that business, say you are going in an Indigo flight, you will always book an Indigo flight and you will sit in it as if you are the owner of that flight. So you think about the feeling of that. So if you get that feeling in your life, stocks will never become just tickers, but then pieces of businesses, and you will never trade those things. Because as I always tell, if you like a grocery shop and the person who is running the business in the ground floor of your flat, of your society, you will buy that and you will never see he's making profit the next day. You will give time and incubation period. You trust the business and the one who runs the business, and you give time for them. You earn profit over a period of time, just like stocks. See you next video. Till then, happy investing.